kepada yang terhormat Bapak Ibu penguji uji kinerja. Izinkan saya pada kesempatan ini memperkenalkan diri saya. Nama saya Morten Mumu, guru bahasa Inggris di SMP Negeri 7 Bitung, Provinsi Sulawesi Utara. Saya merupakan mahasiswa PPG Daljak kategori 2 tahun 2022 dari Universitas Pancasakti Tegal. Dan pada kesempatan ini saya akan mengikuti uji kinerja video pembelajaran dengan materi yang saya ambil adalah descriptive text mengenai describing people dalam speaking skill. Untuk lebih jelasnya silakan simak video berikut ini. Terima kasih. Yeah, good morning everybody.
Morning, sir.
Good morning everybody.
Morning, sir.
Okay.
I'm fine.
Okay, good job. Before studying, look at the way you wear your uniform. Is it neat or not? Rapi atau tidak?
Rapi.
Study, put in your uniform. And look at the things around you. Is it clean or not? Bersih atau tidak?
Clean.
Good job. And now before studying, we need to pray first in order that God will help us, guide us, and protect us today. I want Marcella. Can you lead the prayer, please? Everybody sikap berdoa semua menghadap Tuhan harus. Ya, serius.
Before studying, let's pray. Amen.
Thank you so much, Marcella. Okay, Andy.
Greetings to the teacher.
Good morning, sir. Thank you so much. Sit down, please. Yeah, before starting, I wanna check your attendance list first. Where is the secretary? Oh, Jennifer. Who is absent today? Gabriel, Baim, then Fahri. Absent, 6 or excuse? Absent. Okay, don't forget to fill the attendance list. Okay, good job. Now, before going to the main material, let's make a deal first. Buat kesepakatan dulu. Can you? Boleh? Okay. That all of you will study well and seriously. Belajar dengan baik dan dengan serius. Don't play. Okay? You have the time to play, but you also have the time to study. Ada waktu untuk bermain, tapi juga ada waktu untuk
belajar.
Good job. Now, to make you get excited in this lesson, untuk membuat kalian tertarik dalam mata pelajaran hari ini, I have a short ice breaking for you. Ada ice breaking singkat untuk kalian hari ini. Guess what animal is this? Hanya menjawab ini hewan apa. Okay? Question number 1. What animal is this?
Bebek.
Oh? Okay. This is Okay, this is elephant. Okay. Ini pertanyaan yang lucu. Okay, second animal. What animal is this? Okay, snake. Actually, this is snail. This is snail. Siput. Third question. What animal is this? This is actually horse. What's wrong, Sandy? And the last one. What animal is this? This is rabbit. Okay, so are you ready to study now? Siap untuk belajar? Okay. Are you ready to study? Okay, good job. Yeah. Actually today we are going to learn about descriptive text about describing people. Last week, minggu lalu, we learned descriptive text describing people, but in reading skill. Dalam skill baca. Today we are still in the descriptive text and describing people, but we change the skill. We will move into speaking skill. Skill berbicara. Okay. Who still remember the last week material? Siapa yang masih ingat materi minggu lalu? What is descriptive text? Bapak Andi, can you? What is descriptive text?
Descriptive text is a text describing person, thing.
Thing bisa juga place atau
Place.
tempat. Jadi descriptive text, teks yang menjelaskan bisa orang, person, tempat, place, atau thing, barang. And now, how many generic structures of descriptive text? There are 2 generic structures. Look at answer. Tasya?
Identification, description.
Description. Okay, give applause to answer questions for you. Ada pertanyaan pemantik untuk kalian to make you relate into this lesson supaya kalian bisa masuk dalam materi ini, lebih mudah mengerti. Okay, question number 1. Do you have an idol? From school, do you have an idol?
Neymar.
Neymar. Your group?
Messi.
Your group?
Neymar.
Same. Neymar. Your group?
Dybala.
Dybala. Okay, Dybala. Question number 2. Why do you like him or her? Why do you like Neymar? Handsome, like Daniel. Why do you like Messi? Cool, dignity, like Jennifer. Why do you like Neymar too? Handsome. Why do you like Dybala?
Keren, humoris, jantin.
Wow, good job. Like Stefanus. Okay, question number 3. What does he or she look like? Seperti apa ini Neymar?
Dia berjenggot,
Wow. Iya.
smart, jadi Messi itu tua.
Okay, what does Messi look like?
Berjenggot.
He look like it. I'm sure. What does Neymar look like for you?
Gagah, funny, cool.
Wow, hebat sekali. What does Dybala look like?
Handsome, gondrong.
Okay. Now, look at this. Jadi yang kalian jawab tadi, kita akan mencoba mendeskripsikan orang. Kalian kan menjawab in Indonesia. Today we are going to describe about person, but in English. Dalam bahasa. Before going further to the main material, sebelum masuk materi inti, I have to check your basic knowledge first. Kompetensi awal kalian. The first one, I wanna check about your adjective, kata sifat yang kalian kuasai. What is beautiful?
Cantik.
Like Andi, Natasha, Rovina, beautiful. What is handsome?
Ganteng.
Like Fahmi, Junifer, Junaidi, handsome. What is famous?
Terkenal.
Like Geisha, Jennifer, Tasya, famous. What is amazing?
Luar biasa.
What is kind?
Baik.
Baik hati, like Marcella, Sandy, kind. What is smart?
Pintar.
Like Acha. What is confident? Percaya? Oh, good job, you're so smart. Okay, now I wanna check your basic knowledge about simple present tense. Simple present tense divided into 2 parts. Ada 2, nominal dan verbal. Yang pertama untuk nominal dulu. Untuk pronoun I, to be-nya am, is, atau are? Am. To be-nya adalah am. For example, I am an English teacher. Okay, now untuk pronoun he, she, dan it, to be-nya adalah is. Good job. Example, he is happy, she is a doctor, atau it is a book. Kalau juga only one person, satu orang, tetap menggunakan to be is. Naila point happy. Naila is good job. Terakhir the last one, untuk pronoun you, they, and we menggunakan to be are. Good job. For example, you are my student, they are teachers, we are fine. Kalau juga more than one person, lebih dari satu orang, tetap menggunakan to be are. Example, Geisha and Marcella going to school. Are going to school. Atau Geisha and Jennifer smart. Are smart. Good job. Now we move into simple present tense about verbal, kata kerja. Untuk pronoun I, you, they, we, dia menggunakan verb one atau ditambah s? Verb one. Good job. For example, I go to school, you walk to the market, They run in the field. We buy candy. Nah, kalau dia more than one person, lebih dari satu orang juga menggunakan verb one. Example, Kristo and Stefanus study English atau studies English. Study atau studies? Studies. Karena more than one person, lebih dari satu orang. Untuk pronoun he, she, dan it, verb one atau verb s? Verb s. Good job, Jennifer. Example, she goes to school, he walks to the market, atau Vianney studies English. Nah, only one person juga menggunakan verb s. Example, Icha sleep at night atau sleeps at night. Sleep atau sleeps? Good job. And you can see here, these are the rules. Ini aturan untuk penambahan s atau juga penambahan akhiran. Now, tujuan pembelajaran. Before studying, you have to know the purpose of the study. Mengetahui tujuan pembelajaran. You have to know the purpose of the study to make you excited or motivated into the lesson. Membuat kalian termotivasi dalam pelajaran. Nah, we have two purposes here. Ada dua tujuan di sini. Jadi, purpose number one, kalian peserta didik dapat menanyakan dan memberi pendapat serta menganalisis struktur kalimat yang sesuai terkait dengan materi descriptive text about a person. So not only ask, bukan hanya bertanya, not only give opinion, bukan hanya kasih pendapat, but you also will be able to analyze, menganalisa, Andi. And purpose number two, kalian peserta didik dapat menjelaskan dan memilih kata sifat yang sesuai dalam mendeskripsikan sesuatu terkait dengan materi descriptive text about a person. Not only explain, bukan hanya menjelaskan, but you will also be able to choose, memilih kata atau pemahaman bermakna. Maksudnya di sini, apa sih tujuannya kalian belajar descriptive text untuk kehidupan kalian sehari-hari atau untuk masa depan kalian nanti? Nah, itu yang masuk dalam pemahaman bermakna. Dan di sini tujuannya agar kalian dapat mendeskripsikan orang dalam bahasa Inggris menggunakan struktur kalimat yang tepat. Jadi kalian bisa mendeskripsikan teman kalian, your parents, orang tua, your family, keluarga kalian dalam bahasa Inggris. Good job. Okay, now pay attention to this video. Listen carefully and pay attention. Okay? Tony and Niva describe each other. Okay? Listen carefully and pay attention.
How long have you been together?
I've been together about 5 years.
Okay, how would you describe your partner?
Beautiful, energetic, good company, good fun.
And how would you describe him?
Intelligent, easygoing, handsome,
How would you describe your partner?
Compatible.
How would you describe your partner?
Easy.
And what brings you here to Miami Beach?
his birthday, my boyfriend's birthday.
Oh, your boyfriend's over there. Oh, how long have you been together?
5 years,
And how old is he now?
26,
Wow. So how would you describe him?
tall, dark, and handsome.
Could you
Yeah, okay, so that's all for the video. Nah, so you will make a conversation like that. Kalian akan buat percakapan seperti itu, role play. Okay? In your group, there will be a reporter, akan ada satu orang reporter, and the rest of the groups will be someone who describe each other, yang saling menggambarkan. Jadi ada satu reporter, mungkin yang setiap ketua kelompok. Di sini ada Andi, the leader of this group, Jennifer, Leader of this group Marcella, and leader of this group Sandy. Okay, you will be the reporter, and the rest of the group will describe each other. Memorize the text you make and perform in front of the class. Tampil di depan kelas. Nah, okay. Before that, answer this question first. Do you know who is she? Kenal siapa dia? Who is she? What does she look like? Cantik. What else? Famous. What else? Look at her hair, her skin, her eyes, oval face. Rambutnya? Okay, so you will describe your friends like this. Pay attention to your friends' characteristics. Pay attention. Junaidi. Okay, in describing a person, dalam menjelaskan orang, the first one you can describe about his or her age. Yang pertama untuk umurnya. Okay, di sini ada young. What is young?
Muda.
Middle age, yang umur pertengahan. Ada juga old. What is old? You can also describe about their build, bentuk badannya. Di sini ada well built, ada plump, ada thin. What is thin? Kurus. What is fat? Gendut. What is slim? You can also describe about their height. Short, medium height, and tall. What is tall? You can also describe about nose. What is nose? Di sini the first one, straight nose. Together, straight nose. What is straight nose? Ada hook nose. Miring. Ada long nose. Ada juga small nose. What is small nose? Besek. You can also describe about eyes. Bisa warnanya, example blue eyes atau brown eyes, or the shape of the eyes, bentuk mata. Misalnya big round eyes, big eyes, small eyes, ada oval eyes, oval, ini with glasses, kacamata. You can also describe about face. Ada round face, ada oval face. Oval, cekung. Ada long face dan ada square face. Apa itu square? Okay, look at here. You can also describe about lips. Ada full lips, curved lips, thin lips. Bisa juga mouth dan bisa juga describe about ears. You can also describe about the hair. What is hair? Rambut. Okay, you can describe the color of the hair, warna rambut, atau the shape of the hair, bentuk rambut. Seperti spiky, ada curly hair, wavy. What is wavy hair? Bergelombang. Ada straight hair, lurus. Straight hair, rambut lurus. Ada long hair, short hair. Who is bald? No one is bald here, right? Nah, okay. Besides describing about characteristics, selain karakteristik atau ciri-cirinya, you can also describe about appearance atau penampilan. Beautiful, elegant, funny, cute, handsome, gorgeous, ugly. What is ugly? Bisa juga atraktif. Nah, ini hanya beberapa contoh kata sifat untuk appearance atau penampilan. Kalian bisa searching on Google atau on your dictionary. Bisa juga lihat di kamus. Bisa? Okay. Now I have a conversation example here. Ada dua contoh percakapan. You will make a conversation like this. Memorize and perform in front of the class. Nah, sekarang untuk memberikan contoh, to give an example, I want conversation example 1 to be performed by Andi as the reporter, Jennifer as the person 1, and Marcella as the person 2. Okay, give applause to them. Come here. Listen to them. Listen carefully. Pay attention. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, listen carefully to them.
Good morning, how are you?
We are fine, thank you.
How long have you known each other?
About 5 years.
Okay, next.
How would you describe your friend?
She has a continuous long black hair and face is oval.
Oval face.
And how would you describe your partner?
She has short hair, wavy hair, small eyes, and pointed nose.
Okay, give applause to them. Okay, actually wood. Show it together. Wood. How wood? Okay, thank you so much. Now, you will make a conversation like this. Perform in front of the class. Can you bisa? Okay, are you ready? Ready. Okay, are you ready? Ready. Yes. Okay, I will hand them this worksheet for you. Okay, this worksheet for group 1. This is for group 4. This worksheet for group 2, your group. Okay, make a conversation like the example. Okay, this conversation for group 1. This is for group 3. And this is for group 4. Okay. Make a conversation, practice in your group, memorize, perform in front of the class. Tampil di depan kelas. Jennifer, focus. Okay, this is the assessment aspect. Ini bagus. Ini adalah aspek penilaian. Yang pertama untuk keterampilan, nanti ketika kalian tampil, yang akan dinilai ada fluency, kelancaran berbicara. Ada pronunciation, cara pengucapan. Ada accuracy, dimengerti atau tidak. Ada juga performance, apakah kalian lupa atau lancar, bentuk wajah, apakah percaya diri atau tidak. Oke? Kemudian ada penilaian pengetahuan mengenai pilihan kosakata dan pilihan tata bahasa kalian. Jadi, and the last one ada penilaian sikap. Look at this, pay attention. Apakah kalian jujur, bekerja sama, bertanggung jawab, disiplin dan percaya? Your group, can you? This one. Your group, can you? Okay. Jennifer, memorize? Okay. 5 minutes more. Ini tadi siapa yang nanti saya? Break. Your group, Kristo. Sudah lihat. Jennifer, thank you. Okay, focus. Practice in your group first. Latihan dulu di kelompok masing-masing. Practice in your group. Pay attention to this assessment. Ini aspek penilaian. Okay? 3 minutes more, and we will start from group 1 and this group. Jennifer, thank you. Here. Thank you.
Good morning, how are you? Thank you.
How long have you known each other?
About 5 years.
How would you describe your friend?
He is kind.
She is.
She is kind and beautiful. She has pointed nose and full lip.
Full lips.
And how would you describe your partner?
She is smart and beautiful.
Okay, give applause to them. Daniel and Fabi.
Good morning, how are you?
We are fine, thank you.
How long have you known each other?
About 6 years.
6 years.
How would you describe your friend?
He is kind and handsome. He has small nose and oval face.
Good job.
And you describe your friend?
He is kind and smart.
Okay, give applause to them. Okay, let's start.
Good afternoon, how's life?
We are, thank you.
Anyway, can I ask, do you describe about your friend?
Yes, sure.
What do you think about your friend?
I think smart and humble. He has short hair and a nose.
And you, what do you think about your friend?
She is smart and beautiful. Has a long curly hair.
Thank you.
Okay, give applause. Crystal and Stefanus.
Good afternoon, how's life?
Crystal Stefanus. Don't block the camera. Okay, let's start. 3, 2, 1.
Good afternoon, how's life?
We are good, thank you.
Anyway, can I ask, do you describe about your friend?
Yes, sure.
What do you think about your friend?
I think he is smart and humble. He has point nose and oval ears.
And you, what do you think about your friend?
He is handsome, young and smart.
Okay.
We are fine, thank you.
How long have you known each other?
About 6 years.
How would you describe your friend?
He is kind and handsome. He has short hair and small nose.
And you, how would you describe your friend?
He is
He is what?
Good afternoon, how's life?
We are good, thank you.
Anyway, can I ask, do you describe about your friends?
Yes, sure.
What do you think about your friends?
I think she is smart and kind. She has long curly hair.
And you, what do you think your friends?
She is smart and beautiful. She has short hair.
Do you understand? Sudah mengerti? Open take your phone, turn on your data. We will have a summative test using quizzes. Okay, okay, this is the code 924165. 924165. Okay, join the quizzes for those iPhone. Okay, how many students who do not have phone? Berapa siswa tidak punya handphone? Okay, those who do not have phone, yang tidak punya handphone, you can answer the summative test in this worksheet. Boleh jawab di kertas ini. Understand? Mengerti? Yes. Okay, silakan. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start. Okay, answer the questions. Okay, focus. Sandy, do you join? Okay, focus. No, beautiful. Have you finished? Okay, everybody finish? Finish? Okay, let's end this quiz and see who is the winner. Let's see who is the winner of this quiz. Yes, Acha, of course. And the winner is Acha. Okay, give applause to Acha. First rank Acha, second rank Andi, and third rank is Jennifer. Okay, give applause to them. Do you still have any question? Ada pertanyaan? Before closing this material? No? Okay, so before closing this material, we have to take a conclusion first. Ada kesimpulan terlebih dahulu. Number one, what did you learn today? Kalian belajar apa hari ini? Jennifer, can you give a conclusion about what did we learn today? Stand up please. What did we learn today? Kita belajar apa hari ini? What did we learn today? Descriptive text about? Okay, silakan dijawab. Answer it. What did we learn today? Descriptive text about what? And in what skill? We learned about text apa? Descriptive? Yeah, describing about? Okay, describing people dalam skill? Speaking. Okay, thank you Jennifer. Jadi kita belajar descriptive text about describing people dalam skill? Skill apa? Speaking atau berbicara? Okay, and who can give the second conclusion? How to describe a person? Bagaimana cara kita mendeskripsikan orang? Marcella, can you? How can we describe a person?
We can describe the characteristic and
what?
appearance.
Appearance. Okay. Jadi dalam mendeskripsikan orang, we can describe characteristics, ciri-cirinya, and also reflection. Open up. Okay. Answer honestly, set normal or happy. Question number 1. Pembelajaran hari ini terasa menyenangkan. Happy. Question number 2. Pembelajaran hari ini menggunakan media belajar yang menarik. Happy. Question number 3. Penyampaian materi dapat dipahami dengan baik. Happy. Question number 4. Saya sangat bersemangat dalam pembelajaran hari ini. Happy. And the last question. Semua peserta didik dapat terlibat aktif dalam pembelajaran. Never mind. And after reflection, I want some students to give an evaluation. Ada beberapa siswa kasih kesan apa yang sudah dipelajari hari ini seperti apa, sebagai bahan evaluasi. Boleh? Junaidi, can you give an evaluation about our lesson today?
Pembelajaran hari ini menggunakan media belajar yang menarik.
Seperti apa?
Seperti kuisis.
Okay, good job. Thank you, Junaidi. Give applause. Well, Aisha, can you?
Pembelajaran hari ini sangat menyenangkan dan semua siswa
Okay, I want to give an assignment for you. Ada tindak lanjut. Jadi nanti di rumah at your home, can you describe about your parents? Bisa mendeskripsikan orang tua?
Bisa.
Or your brother, your sisters, your family, or your friends around you. Bisa juga teman? Bisa dilakukan?
Bisa.
Okay, so before closing this meeting, once again, no question?
No.
Do you understand? Are you happy today?
Happy.
Very happy?
Happy.
Okay, thank you so much. Give applause to all of you. Because we started it with prayer, so we have to close it with prayer too. Stand up please everybody. Can you Natasha? Because opening prayer from Christian, agama Kristen, so closing prayer from Muslim, agama Islam. Okay, kita berdoa.
Before closing, let's pray.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Chairwoman.
Say thank you to the teacher.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. See you next time.